Hi everyone, welcome to our last Bigjigs video. I can't believe this is the 6th one. 6 months have gone quickly. Yeah. So we're going to talk to you about the latest toys we've been sent. It's all about colours and textures and yeah. I'll carry on talking while he's being silly. Basically, colours and textures have always been very important in playtime for Tyler. When he was growing up, teaching him how to count, teaching him colours. He first said the names of colours when he was about 18 months, when he was playing with Play-Doh, and his first colours he said was blue and orange. He called it Dada Blue for some reason, and he's been counting, trying to count since between 1 and 2. He counted to 10 at about, it was before he was 2, he counted to 10. And yes, I am a graphic designer, so I love painting. Colours is really important. So, without further ado, I'll show you what we've been sent. This is from Rubbabu or Rubbabu, I'm not sure how to say it, that Bigjigs distribute, and they create really cool, not toys, they're sort of sensory products. This is for baby, so that's for Honey Nut, who's over here. Hey Honey Nut. See, you can see she's looking at colours already. I swear she dreams about this mobile. She's always smiling at it. So, this is a very soft ball, velvet texture. Yeah, very squishy. Another toy to add to her collection. Do you want to wave it at her and see if she looks at it? He's just thrown it. So, I'll leave that with Honey Nut's toys for now. And we'll move on to the numbers. These are a set of magnetic numbers.
C, D, E, F, E, H, I, C, K, O, N.
Beautiful, Tyler.
Q, R,
Look,
S.
you open it this way.
Whoa, numbers.
Yeah. And they're very soft and they are magnetic. So perfect for teaching. Colours and numbers, and it's all sensory play. So Tyler knows his numbers, and this would be good for Honey Nut to learn about numbers, sensory play. Yeah. Do you want to stick him on the board, Tyler?
Yeah.
What number's that?
7, 4, 1, 13,
13, yes.
3, 6, 9, 2. What?
That's not number 2.
5,
Yeah, 5.
2, 2.
We've got someone squeaking over there.
Honey Nut. 8 and 7.
Yay! Should we put them in number order?
7, 4, 6.
No, I mean the order. 1,
1,
2. What's next? Go and put it in order. 1, 2, then?
3.
That's right. Carry on. What's after 3?
4.
That's right. And then? Start. You can put the next line there. What's next? After 4. What's next after 4?
5.
That's right. 5. And then?
6.
Yep. What's next?
7.
Yep. Yeah, H was already in the right place, wasn't it? They're very squashy, these. Let me squash one. Yeah. I really like this. Very firm but squashy. Soft. Yeah. There we go. Numbers in order.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yeah. And it's in colour order too. What colours do you see?
Green.
Is that green?
Yeah.
No.
Blue.
That's right. Next colour?
Red.
Yeah.
Blue.
Yeah, that's dark blue.
Green.
Yeah.
Orange.
Hooray.
Blue.
And there we have it.
Red. Dark blue. Green. Orange.
That is some
0, 1,
educational
2, 3,
playtime.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
And
Can we do it again?
yeah, I can also use his numbers for photo shoots. So Honey Night is 9 weeks, so she'll be 10 weeks next week. So I can imagine you'll be seeing these numbers in our photo shoots. That will look awesome. So I'm in trying to tie this game.
It's number 10.
That's right. You can make number combinations too.
10.
Yeah. So
2,
that's Rubbabu,
3,
the numerals, magnetic numeral set.
4. Let's do it again.
Go on then.
It needs to be upside down.
He's still playing with them. I'd say these toys get a thumbs up from Tyler.
8 and 3. Let's start 3 to 4. 3, 8, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Come on, let's do it, Mommy.
Now we're doing double numbers, aren't we?
Double numbers.
Go on.
27.
27. Ooh.
27. 25.
25. That's not 25.
It's 25.
It's a 0 and a 5.
It's 0, 5. 83.
Oh, that's 38.
38.
He's so cute. He gets numbers back to front. Well, good for a 4-year-old, isn't it? I don't know.
61.
16.
61.
He's putting them in colour order.
40,
49.
19.
No, 9.
9, 4. Let's start. The orange, 2.
So what numbers have you got there?
72.
27.
27. 0, 5. 83.
I'll show you something. Look. That's 72.
72.
83.
And this is number 16.
That's right, 16.
Excuse me.
Did you just burp?
Just like it's honey nut.
Yeah, she burps a lot. So I was talking about learning through play being very important in terms of colours and numbers, but also learning about nature is really important too. So I've got this lovely Bigjigs Giant Magnifying Glass. It's so cute, all wooden and with a huge viewfinder, what they're called? You know what I mean, the glass bit. So we're going to get Tyler to have a look for bugs and different types of leaves in the garden with it. Let's do that now.
Oh, what's going on?
So here we are in the driveway. What have you found, Tyler? What's on the ground?
These.
How does it look like with the magnifying glass?
I can see Auntie's car.
Yeah.
Auntie.
What have you found? Let's see.
Oh, little flowers.
Little flowers?
Yeah.
Let's look for some. What have you found now, Tyler?
A yellow flower.
Wow! A yellow flower.
Flower.
Ooh.
Oh, and another one.
Wow. What did you find now, Tyler?
That's one.
Is that a little ant?
Yes.
Wow.
I can't see.
Use your magnifying glass, then you can see. Ooh.
The ants go bigger.
The ants look bigger.
Yeah.
That's because it's a magnifying glass.
And the truck go bigger.
And your truck. Yes. So that's it from us. I hope you've enjoyed watching our Bigjigs videos. It's been really fun doing it. A fun 6 months. Yeah, they do so many toys. I mean, we only knew them for the trains. Obviously, if you saw our picture from last year, it's all about building train tracks and all the little trains. But they do so much more. They sell so much more. So, yeah. It's worth checking out their website. We're really happy with them all. Okay, we're going to say bye for now. Bye!